Hi Libra, welcome to my channel. This is a general reading for people who are not in touch with their partners, who have broken up or completely probably just stopped talking due to whatever reason. So this will just tell you what they feel. Okay, I think they really want to tell you a lot, Librans, because the cards are flying out, but I don't take cards just like that, especially when I'm shuffling in the first phase. So if it doesn't resonate with you, you can check your moon and rising. You can, Google it, how to find your moon and rising. It's very easy because it's a whole. It just completes a person. Sometimes sun sign doesn't resonate easily. So let's see what your person is thinking. So they rejected your offer in the past. They are right now probably changing their perspective, or they are currently stuck because of a third party. Very clearly, they are stuck because of a third party, and they really love you, and they rejected your offer in the past. But they feel that you are the one. You are the wish fulfillment. You are the ultimate one. But right now, they are focused on money. I don't think they really want to take an action, but feeling inside is quite heavy, and they feel that whatever life they're living is just existing. They're not very happy without you, very clearly. Let me see what are your feeling towards them. What are your feeling towards them? What are Libra's feeling towards the person? Let's find out. So you really want things to change. You feel you love this person, you have passion for this person, you really want them to make a change in the situation. You're not happy either. You really want them to come this time, because you, I think, are done trying, and you really want them to prove what they are, what they the king, the queen that they are. Let's see, if they come, what will they tell you? What are they likely to tell you? If they come towards you, what are they likely to tell you? Okay, so if they communicate, they would want to tell you that they are tired. They are tired of fighting this battle. They are tired of lying to themselves and to you that they don't feel for you. They really want to end this cycle and begin a new cycle with you. If they come, they will tell you how upset they are, how many inner battles they have fought to be away from you. Let me take out more cards for their feelings. Let me take out more cards for their feelings. What would they tell you? Yeah, they're really upset. They're not very happy with this ending, and they really want to come and with the fiery energy towards you, because they really feel for you and they really want to come towards you. They are not very. They are really heavy in their heart. When it comes to this decision that you guys have made. All right. Let's see. Take a yes or a no card. I'll take out one card. What is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection, my lord? What is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection? One card. All right. So this future is that they really want to. They will come towards you. They have an offering, but they don't want to leave the third party either. They don't want to leave the third party either. They want the cake and have it too. They will come towards you, but then they will have the other person also. They want everybody to be happy. In short, they don't want to hurt another person just to come towards you. What they think is, I don't know how will it work out and whether you will accept this offer, but they really want to offer you, probably to start a friendship sort of a thing. They really want to be friends with you, and see how it goes again, a fresh start of a sorts. So all the best, and keep watching my channel. Do subscribe, and I will give you more updates. Thank you.